Caretaker, come. Please.
Yeah, Ghost!
Please, caretaker.
Ghost!
Come, don't.
Felix, I beg you. I beg, not be me kill you. Not be me kill you, Felix.
I no die.
Felix, you.
Yes. Please, I can explain.
Don't hear me.
I can explain.
Don't hear me.
Please.
Felix.
I can explain.
You no disappear. Felix.
I told you. I can explain.
But then talk say you don't die now.
No.
How manage?
I was in the hospital for coma for 90 days. So people thought I was dead.
No, that's all right. Don't start the thing when you no fit finish. So, because if you start crying now, if I start my own, people go no say something happen for here. That's all right. You are a big man, and big man know they cry. You hear me?
It was those 419 people. They swore me of everything I have. My money, my 2 cars, my houses, all of them gone.
Sorry.
I don't know what to do again.
Felix, that's your jeep, uncle.
Everything is gone.
This sauce. That everything is gone. Another, you don't go.
What am I going to do now? As I'm talking to you now, I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have any cover. Gone into the house of those foster.
Felix. People wait there for our compound. My tenant then talk say you too, you are real 419. Then talk say you 419 them. You say you go carry them, go look for walk up. At the end of the day, you fail them woefully. You don't take them go to anywhere. You are 419.
No, my brother. You see, they did not understand. It was those 419 that collected the whole money. Everything I have, they collected it. In fact, I was going to go and get a visa from them when this happened.
Anyway, thank God say you are in coma. You have to say full stop. That's the end for you. Now dead. Now be that. Thank God.
In fact, as you see me here, I am jobless. I am coverless. I am homeless. In fact, I am motherless.
In fact,
where am I going to run to? Where am I going to run to?
I know you are a useless man. I know you are a useless man completely. But thank God say my landlord, he get 1 room apartment. I go tell him say make you stay for that 1 room.
Which of the landlord?
Owo ni koko now, looking as God, my able landlord.
If I go to that yard, the tenants there will roast me alive.
Forget. When I'm talking with my brain. Who is the tenant? Whatever I say in that compound, there is the final whistle.
But even the landlord will not even allow me to step my leg into that compound.
I am the one who under control of Baba landlord. Even my town, the landlord wife, whatever I tell them, they go hear me. Me, the commercial and incredible caretaker,
yes,
of Owonikoko Lodge.
Thank you, my brother.
That's all right.
Thank you,
That's all right.
Thank you. You no go better for you.
No. In fact, your mama when you talk say that no go better for her forever.
No, it go better for you. It go better for you well. The slip of tongue.
Okay.
Yeah. God go bless you. Yeah.
That's all right.
God go bless you.
That's all right.
But how am I going to recover something that lost now?
But you have to be very careful. You have to behave well when we get to behave well.
No problem.
That's all right.
You see, I'm sitting here. Everybody that passes, we will now give you biscuit. Look at me now. I'm feliz. I'm feliz that everybody knows that people give me
I promise you I will change your life. You will buy another better Jeep. You will get a good number. Felix Igwe 1. No, that last one, what my number plate was Feli Baba.
Yes, Feli Baba.
Feli Baba. You will see Felix Mama.
Allahu Akbar.
Mala. Yeah. You see, I want to buy something. You better answer me before I go another place, go buy. Yeah, the smell. You see, give me cowbell, close up and area. When I finish the two where they do for house, I will come give you money. Waiting. Let me say you know they sell credit. Okay, now you sabi. I go wait till you finish your prayer. Hey, now wow. Let me say you know they do good during the Ramadan.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Assalamu alaikum. Ajani na watin. Duk Allah fa na watin. Yi ba sai I dey pray I no go come back ne. You are just spoil my prayer finish.
Now you sabi, you know no business. Anyway, just give me cowbell and area with close up.
Ajani? Yes. Maka say waiting a right time for this place. Huh?
Oh, you know no business. Now what for you, self? So you know one set credit. I don't know which time you be like this. That time me and you will be friends before now.
Then Allah maka dey go maka leave me. You don't follow my prayer.
Now what for you, self? The thing where you know they do before, you can't do it now. You know good though. You know say me and you will be friends before. Now today they buy credit for your hand. No good though. No good.
Useless person.
Babe, turn that thing well now. The way you're turning it, this thing will not rise.
You make me vex, I will leave him. No go say thank you.
Thank you. But at the same time, turn it well.
Baby, this dry season, they affect me badly.
Hey, yeah, sorry, not only you now. You mean to say the rainy season?
Until I open my mouth like this, they talk before you go say, see what time they talk.
You don't need to blame me now. There are differences between the two seasons. Communication is all about clarity. So, clear me.
See, I tell you, this fasting period, you don't see us everywhere dry.
Oh.
And the worst part be saying, these people go they do like say they too holy, now they go do. Like say we know they fast, we'll be criminal before God.
My dear, we need to emulate good things. The fasting period, according to our Muslim friend, is a moment of sober reflection and forgiveness of sin. The Hajj is known for reconciliation with one's creator. So,
you say now waiting. Moment of waiting.
Sober reflection and forgiveness of sins.
What's going to happen after this fasting? If he end like this, what's going to happen?
Hey, God will touch the heart of God, those he chooses to touch.
I better forget that thing. Babe, just that level, see. You people want to know immediately after Hajj like this, come sit there. Especially one of my uncles like this. Immediately Hajj just end like this. Until this guy go to summer everybody. Anywhere, anybody, anything where you see go, the summer they go.
Anyway, you know what? Let's be praying for him because I believe one day God will touch his heart and he will change for good. Yes.
I don't like this kind of talk we just talk now. This one I curse.
How they curse you?
How you go talk like this, say God go change her?
Of course, now it's a prayer.
You don't change uncle, where I want for see money?
Come on. But you say he's your uncle.
I bet John that's your uncle, cousin, brother, all of them are the
Okay,
same.
his uncle.
That's
Now,
why-
ready for talk now.
I go see one man now, where they okay, but say he don't old. Shame no go let me call her this. I will call her uncle now. That's how the money they drop.
Carry
Not like this kind of talk.
gang. Take a easy
I bet
now.
go this talk.
No verse.
Very soon you will come and carry, please borrow me provision. Me I want for see the money. If they pray this kind of prayer.
Jesus Christ.
If I don't like this kind of talk, I don't like this kind of talk. They vex me. I beg.
No verse now. Just want to why I talk. I mean, Mona ask me, what did she get when she dey sell?
My able landlord. My other landlord, they are counterfeit.
Oliver the Twist.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Come inside. Come.
Thank you,
sit
sir.
down, sit down.
Papa.
Now, I want you to organize the boys.
What for?
The land on the other street is full of grasses and things again.
Which one are you talking about?
The one on the other street.
Okay, the next tree is
I want you to be cleared.
Okay, no
Please
problem.
get the boys in.
I will do that for you, sir. I will arrange. And one thing I bring me come here, Baba. As I dey sleep yesterday night, my Holy Spirit, he tapped me like this. He
Holy
say,
Spirit?
Yes. He said, Oliver the Twist. I say, yes. He said, Oliver the Twist. I say, yes, my Lord. He said, Oliver the Twist. Let's say, I say, Baba, I'm listening to you. He said, how many times he called me? I say 3 times.
The same Holy Spirit?
Yes. He said, how many times? I say 3 times. He said, okay now. Listen and listen carefully. Go and tell your Baba landlord and ask her. What did Baba landlord they do with that store? I say, store? I say, okay. He said, go and ask him. I am the Holy Spirit. I send you to your landlord. Go and ask him.
Look, Oliver Twist. Are you talking about the biggest shop in this house?
So let us rent it out. Quick.
Okay, Oliver. I will discuss with my wife.
Baba, you just like to take your madam, landlady. Cover yourself.
What do you mean by that?
And if you want to go see all this small girl,
I am sure you need a cough syrup.
yes, yes. Abi, I like. If you want to go do night business with your girlfriend,
Hey,
why you
look, that is unofficial talk.
madam no go hear anything. And if your madam hear now, you be the landlord. You go just tell am say I go send you out. Nothing go
You
happen.
want to spoil my house?
Your house no go spoil. You no go spoil. Anyway, Baba, follow the instruction of Holy Spirit.
I will think about what the Holy
Please,
Spirit have said.
Please, so
I said,
it's very important. Me at the go. Let me go arrange for that box.
All right.
Make them go clear the land.
Oliver the Twist.
It's me. Oliver Twist. It's me.
Oliver the Twist.
Yeah, that's my name, Baba
The man
Landlord.
who always asks for more.
Thank you, sir.
Oliver and the Holy Spirit. If it is not Holy Spirit, it is Lacazera.
Tomorrow
Well.
to cook for the same kitchen.
Yeah.
Please, I want you to help me write something about African woman.
Okay. Tell me about your concept, your idea, what really motivated you, your biography.
Well, I have a little write-up here. And
All right.
I just want you to help me polish it and then let it come out next week.
All right. No problem. I'll give it to my friend in the entertainment.
Entertainment.
Yeah.
Yes. That's exactly the column that will sell it better.
That's it.
Hello. Please, don't cross the line.
Ah, baby girl.
Yeah.
Oh my God. All right, no problem.
Okay, Fato, what is wrong with you?
No, it's just a shock. It's a shock.
Oh, you don't want me to know you are broke?
No, it's just a reflex, you know. you know.
Reflex indeed. Thank you.
Oh, your biro. Oh. Shit. God damn it.
Baba Kiataka, you are one trouble, ne? Sure. Why won't kill yourself for this place? Felix!
Mala.
Yes. This one, the Felix have been another person.
Original Felix, where you know before.
And the way, Felix, now what you want to do for here?
Malam, easy. Take come easy. I go narrate everything to you later. Now what?
Baba Kiataka.
Can I go to this?
Now why this poor one person go come the step for this compound? What will be make a shot? I don't go shut up. What?
Who be this?
Adalina Felix.
Master for what? What is this one?
Na Felix. Alajana Felix.
Don't mind them.
That's how put myself for trouble.
Don't mind them.
Like where I go carry am dey.
Say, you don't settle am?
I don't settle am.
Okay.
Landlord wahala, tenant palava. Face to face.
Baba Mukuro.
Adakumulai.
Now which time will this one start? Abi, ati wípé where you dey go when you dress like this?
I dey go mosque.
Mosque.
Yes.
Now which time you become Muslim?
You know, say, I be Abdul Rashid. Wouldn't be home. And say you don't hear say Al-Bankudi, you don't they give people money, make them go Mecca. People will never go before. And if you give me the money, 70% of the money, we go use them for our own need. Yes. And since they go church, which day they come and say, Baba Bukuro, come go Jerusalem. So I go see advantage. Say I won't go Mecca, I no go.
Hey, now that's one you for talk. Make you not tell me say you be Muslim. Since which time where I don't marry you? Tete, I know all your family. All your name myself I know. If you tell me say na money turn you to Muslim now.
Woman, poverty no be my portion. Kí n sá ti lówó lọ́wọ́ ìyẹn sá ní pín tèmi o. Poverty no be my portion. Sílẹ̀ Ramoni.
Máa jẹun lọ.
Alhamdulilayi.
Abdulramani. Máa jẹun lọ. Wetin I dey talk sef. If you get the money, na me go chop am. I know all the mago wey I go use. When all the money sef go become my own. Oh, abeg, alhamdulilayi o jàre. Máa jẹun lọ. Baba Mukuro agbárí pọ̀.
That will cost you a lot of money, my brother.
Now I go cost me kuma money. Just make a put a picture of inside newspaper. They tell you say I dey go Haji. Chicken.
Don't you know information is very expensive? Do you know how many people will read about you and hear about you within a month?
Tuna every day them go dey see me.
No, different people get information at different times.
To get back to see what thing I put to tell you say make I go pay for my ticket money first. Then by the time I come back I go discuss and come up.
All right.
Yeah.
No problem.
Mala, how far now? Mala, Mister, why you dey run away from me these days now? Look, I'm a changed person.
Why? Allah, wonderful shall never change. Trap, you fellas.
Change the person. Can't you want to discover? Now you are going to tell us say you are don't change. I mean now we are going to tell you say you are don't change.
None of us go no say I don't change.
Came around. Allah you not the person.
Me.
My brother. It takes God to correct this bad impression you've created.
But K Factor, eh?
Yeah.
But K Factor, you are in the media.
Yes.
What will it take to rebrand me? Something like Good Felix, Great Felix.
I need time to think. I want to be sure of what I'm doing. Change Felix.
Even K Factor too don't join them. Hey. See how everybody just hate me. Even when chicken see me, na chicken they run. Man, where they reject, no they reject himself.